Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with his Qatari counterpart Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman Al Thani in Doha and discussed ways to strengthen ties between the two countries. Government has come out with guidelines for undertaking pilot projects for using green hydrogen in the transport sector. A delegation led by Secretary General of ASEAN Dr. Kao Kim Hon called on Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Arjun Munda at Krishi Bhavan in New Delhi. High-level Committee on One Nation, One Election, including Chairman Ramnath Kovind, interacted with some leading economists of the country. Union Agriculture Minister Arjun Munda has reiterated that the government is ready to hold discussions with the protesting farmers.